Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go through my October kits lineup. I'm sorry this is coming out in like October, right at the beginning, but I needed to get 2 hauls out last month, so I had to push this back. But I needed to haul stuff for this October kit lineup. So let's get into it. We're going to start with the 3rd to the 9th of October. And just for information, this is a print pression B6 and like the B6 inserts, which you can get now in a more clearer plastic than this one. And then these are monthly labels by Scribble Prints Co. Easy to pull off or just put stickers over the top. So first week of October we're using Scream from SPC, and this is a exclusive that we did together of the movie Scream, which I love, and sort of like, I don't know, we're going into the start of spooky time. Excuse me, I just burped. We're going into the first of the spooky times for this kit, and we're kind of going all out. I'll very quickly flip through what I've got. I know there were some very good Scream icons, quote boxes this year, but there's not really any boxes I would want to cover with full quotes. But it's nice and dark, and I felt like we could give it a pop with these Planet Pixie sparkly. There's stars in there, but it's kind of just, you can't really see the stars, but it's a sparkly glittery red. And I have the bloody header covers. We have some of the bloody overlay boxes. We'll see how many I use of these, so I don't want to cover up too much art. And then we have the bottom washi, which I'm going to do layered like this. So we're going to get as much of the blood and red that we can get into this, because it is a bloody film. As you can see, we have like blood all over the kit, so I think that'll be really fun, and I'll really pop on those darker colors. And then to go with it, we have just a black. What type of black? This is just black sparkle, glittery black in sparkle. It's like a sparkly black plus a sparkle bundle from SPC. So I otherwise just want to like black everything else, and then we'll have, probably won't use this at all, but we'll have the pop of red instead. Now let me look at these headers though. I don't know if we want to use the black date numbers on here. I mean, they might be okay. They all are mostly red. So we'll see how we go with those. We could always layer over something else for the glitter headers, maybe like a gold to go with this badge here, or even silver. So we'll see how that goes. But that is the first week of October, and it is Scream. The second week is my birthday week, so my birthday is on the 16th of October, which is on the Sunday, and I wanted to use one of my Halloween arts this year was Rocky Horror Picture Show. So this is Rocky from Scribble Prints Co. I'm probably not going to use the double boxes. I'm probably going to like use as many of the boxes as I can, because we have so many good ones. Plus, if I want to use the toolbox, yeah, I need to take it out. So I saw like so many boxes I want to use. And of course I have to watch the movie this week to go with the movie marquee that's already filled out for us. I think Scream had as well. But to go with this one, I'm actually going to use gold, because another big element is the gold saxophone and the creature's like gold panties that he wears. And because it's my birthday, I had to go all out. Last year for my birthday I used Little Witch, and I used like 3-4 different foil bundles to go with it. And this time I'm using 2 gold bundles, but obviously we'll get into them. So the first we're going to use they're both Caress Press, And this one I didn't actually get any bougie boxes with, so I thought it'd be perfect. It is the birthday set, and I just loved like the birthday elements to it. So I thought I'd bring that in because both it's my birthday and also there's actually like both a party and also a happy birthday scene because it's technically the creature's birthday. So I have the birthday thing. I thought that'd be perfect. And then to go with the more like makeup and don't dream it, be it element, I brought in the glow up, which has all like the eyelashes. I'm probably mostly going to use the eyelash boxes, stuff like that. So I'm going to bring those in. Hear me out. And then I've got these OK plans. You got the lips and you got the blood drip, and I thought that'd be perfect also for the bottom washi because obviously you've got the lips, that's a big part of it. And I could put the lips, see which pattern I go with. I don't know if I should do top bottom. We'll have to see there, but I thought I'd bring those in to like make it a bit more. And then Planner Pixie Co brought out quotes, so I definitely have to use these quotes. I think this will be perfect on, I like how she did them like less in your face. So we got one down here for Frankenfurter, and then I think Brad and Janet's will be perfect on them as well. So definitely gonna bring those quotes in. And then I have these bloody numbers from OK Plans because like the main font of the film is like a blood dripping, and I also have a monthly script that'll go perfect. And then I have this bloody deco from Letters to Apollo just to bring in more of that blood and gore that does happen in the film, mostly to do with Eddie. So yeah, that's all the stuff I'm gonna put together for Rocky for my birthday. So it's like birthday and also, but it's just one of my favorite films of all time, and I always watch it around my birthday. So this is actually a change up. For quite a long time I had tickets since December for Disneyland Paris for October 17th through the 19th, and we finally just decided to go through with the trip. COVID be damned. We're hoping it won't be as bad, especially since we've had all our shots, so I'm obviously going to wear masks. But I am bringing in Spooky Magique, and I'm so glad that Andrea reformatted it this year. Obviously it has Phantom Manor, it's based on Disneyland Paris, and also the Paris Castle, and it'll be during the Halloween festival time there. So I brought in some doodles that is actually $2.09, so they don't go with the kit, but they're like Halloween Disney doodles. But I also have the matching ones for the kit, and it's just, yeah, I'm so excited. I've never been to Disney during Halloween, only summer and Christmas, so I'm excited for that. So obviously I'm going to bring in Sparkly Hollow, and I'm going to be mixing up some stuff. So let's go through it. First of all, I want this for the toolbox of the castle or the girl. It depends on which one I'm going to use. Then I have these park hopper, so it has like Mickey Mouse heads, moons, stars, and hearts. And I have some park hopper stuff in Sparkly Hollow. So I'm going to bring these in, as well as some like little spider webs, just to add a little extra. And then I also have a Caress Press, the Halloween bundle from last year, and I thought I'd bring in more some spider webs and also some more of these like candies and Halloween elements from this. So we're going to be mixing little Halloween, cute candy Halloween and spiderweb theme with the park hopper stuff. Yeah, and I thought that would be a good mix and kind of covers both bases. So you have some of the Disney and some of the Halloween. So that is the week of the 17th to the 23rd. Then the week of the 24th to the 30th, I just got this kit in, and I had to put it in because the colors are beautiful, and I think it's going really well from Magique to our next kit. I really wanted the bright, fun colors this year, especially as I'm starting off not very bright and colorful and then going into the bright colors. So this is Caress Press Bouville. It's just really fun, silly and retro and kitty Halloween, and I just love these colors. Like, look at that. And these patterns. I wish that was a cat though. I know the cat is a cliche, but I love me a cat. So we have that kit, and then with that I'm going to mix black with silver. So the black, I'm using this Scribble Prints Co. What type of black? I think this is shattered glass black. Yes, and it is in Celestial. So it has like the moons and stars, and I thought that would be really pretty, and we just bring in a bunch of that black feel, especially in the background. And then we'll put silver with it because we've kind of done every other foil at this point. So we've got these pumpkin faces from Planet Pixie Co. Oh, that'd be cute. And then I have these Planet Choco Ghost headers, and I want to use the Boo headers. I think they'd be adorable. Then I have Sticky Essentials Spiderweb hole protectors. And I have some other things I can pull in if I don't want to put black. So I've got Spiderweb and Bats from Sadie's Stickers. These sort of candy confetti date numbers. And I've also got some of the clustered deco. And then I have these really cute quotes that we might be able to bring in from Planet Choco. Those are really adorable. So I thought that'd be a fun mix with this Bouville kit. And we've had gold, we've had sparkly hollow, we've had silver, we have red and black. And then last but not least, for the October 31st to the 6th of November, we have Zombina, which is my favorite art that I've done, possibly ever, like one of my favorite kits ever. So I'll show you this. It's like a Monster Mash 50s diner drive-in movie. So yeah, I just kind of put it all together. And I love the colors. I love it. So we have gone through all the 4 colors, and I wanted to use this movie night from Caress Press, but I didn't buy it in Sparkly Hollow because this was going to be my Sparkly Hollow kit, but I only got it in Hollow. So this is Hollow. And Merry Magique and Spooky Magique ended up being Sparkly Hollow, so that works out. This is like, yeah, a movie themed kit, and I thought this would be perfect to go with it. And I think I want to use, so over the drippy bottom washi, so obviously we have the drip, I'm going to put that thing, the film strip, and then over the black on top I'm going to put the graveyard, and I thought that would be so spooky fun. And I also have some graveyard headers to add to that. And then, sorry, let me get myself together here. And then we also have, I'm going to mix in with the movie stuff. We're going to mix in these Halloween stuff from Scribble Prints Co. I love the designs, especially like the hand in the coffin. We have again the drippy numbers, but in hollow. The same quotes from the last one, but in hollow. And I was thinking possibly using Hot Ghoul Halloween, maybe. I have these deco bits from Simply Watercolor Co. They're ancient, but you have all sorts of spooky Halloween deco, and then we have the spooky hole protectors from Planet Choco. So yeah, we're gonna mix in movie night into more retro fun horror for this one to go with like the Monster Mash feel. And hello, so that is everything for my October kit lineup. I hope you'll join me for October spreads. They come out usually the week after that they happen because I like to keep on time with my planner. So first we have Scream, we have a Rocky, so we get our film stuff out of the way. We have Spooky Magique because we're going to Disney. Then we have Bouville because the colors are just chef's kiss. And then we have Zombina heading into November. But that is everything for my October lineup. Let me know if we're twinning at all, possibly same week or possibly just same kits, and what foils you're using. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.